Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about cosine 2x equal to 2 cosine x squared minus 1. So I will put this one go in here. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Number 2 I will put outside. About sine x squared we change by 1 minus cosine x squared. 1 divided by cosine x squared and cosine x squared divided by cosine x squared. You got about number 1 in here. So we have 1 over cosine x squared minus number 1. And this one we change into secant of x squared. And now we have the final answer. The integration of secant of x squared, you got about tan x. Number 1, you got about x, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.